In this video, I will show you how to play YouTube Shorts video as normal video. So let's go to a channel and click Shorts link. Let's open a short. So this is a short. So short will open like this. I want it to open as a normal block, a normal YouTube viewer. To do that, go to Chrome Web Store. Here, search YouTube Shorts block. YouTube Shorts block. Add to your browser. It will work on Brave and Chrome. And let's reload this page now. And as you can see, when I reloaded this page, the YouTube player switched to normal view. And from here, I can see many other options in a familiar fashion that I do not see in YouTube Shorts viewer. So this is how you can play YouTube Shorts videos as normal video or in normal YouTube player. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.